Fetters, and I'm the creator of the Takedown Challenge. And today Autumn and I are going to assemble a recipe that I think might confuse some of you, and we want to make sure that doesn't happen. This is called the Berry Barley Bowl. So we're going to actually assemble it together, and then we're going to show you how to portion it out so you feel comfortable with it if you choose to use this recipe. So the first thing that we use is the rolled barley flakes. A lot of people don't even know what rolled barley flakes are. They look just like oats, but they're made of barley. So this is what this is right here. And I'm gonna take 3 cups of that. We're gonna assemble this just in a big Ziploc bag so we can make a bunch and use it as we go. So it's 3 cups of barley flakes. Done with that. And then it's 1/3 cup whole flax seeds. These are all measured out. It's 2 tablespoons of Splenda brown sugar. If you decide not to use Splenda brown sugar, it's not a problem. It says right on the recipe the alternative to doing that. And then we have a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. We put them in the same little bowl. Some of you aren't familiar with cardamom. It's a really great alternative to ginger. It has an amazing flavor. And if you haven't tried it, I encourage you to do so. I think you'd really like it. But ginger's fine in a pinch, not a problem. And then a 3-finger pinch of salt. Done with that. And then we're gonna seal it up. And this is gonna be our cereal maybe for the whole week for some of us. And we're just gonna mix it up and we're gonna use it as we go. We don't need to use it all in one day. Gonna make sure it gets nice and mixed so all those spices get all over those barley flakes for us. So what we thought we'd do today is make a 2-unit portion. So the 2-unit portion, what we're going to do is we're going to make it in the microwave. I'm actually not going to assemble, I'm just going to assemble it today, but I'm going to let you microwave it on your own when you try. So for a 2-unit portion, we need 1/4 cup of the ingredients. So this is our ingredients. This is our mixed cereal. Okay. And then after that, we need to add 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of water. Now we're going to infuse this with protein powder because I want you to be able to have a really quick meal in the morning, and when you add protein powder to it, it makes this a complete meal for you. So what we're going to do is this person needs 18 grams of protein powder. Remember, we're looking not at the weight, but at the protein powder's macronutrient value of protein. Okay, so in this case, it's 1/2 scoop.
It's 14 grams.
Sorry, 14 grams of protein powder. We're going to mix it into 1/4 cup of warm water. We're going to whisk it together, and that makes it nice and creamy. And when there's no lumps in there, then you just pour it into your protein powder. And then from here on out, you're going to follow the directions and put it into the microwave. You can add your blueberries before you microwave it or after. It's really your choice. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't change anything, but sometimes the blueberries tend to blow up in the microwave, so you might want to be a little bit careful. So here on out, here's your cereal that has your protein and your carbs and your fat, and this is a little bit of additional carbs to round this meal out. So that's the Berry Barley Bowl. So now we have this bag of cereal, and we can draw from this all week long. And this will probably last a good 3 to 4 months in your cabinet. So you can make as much as you want and make these meals in a hurry in the morning. Okay, so good luck with this recipe. I think you're going to really enjoy it. It's great, and it's a really easy meal in the morning.